So in this Wise app tutorial, I will be showing you how to add money to your account by credit card here on the Wise app. So once the app's opened up, go to the bottom left and select Home. Once you're on the home page here, go to the top to where it says Add Money. Between Send and Upload, select Add Money. Then on this page right here, you can then type in how much money you want to add to your account. So if you wanted to do $30, you would type in 30, then press on done. Once that is done, you can change the currency. So in my case, this is 30 Canadian dollars, but if you wanted to change that, just press change and select your currency. But right below that, where it says paying with direct debit, you want to go ahead and press change there. And you want to make sure that credit card is selected. Once that is done, right below it says you pay with, total with fees, etc. And right where it says paying with credit card, that's what you're looking for. And if this looks good to you and you want to proceed, go to the bottom, select continue, and then proceed that way with the funding of your account. So that is how you guys can add money by credit card to your account here on Wise. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.